Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Because I'm waiting on some tools to finish the engine build, I will probably start with the suspension in the back. So that will be finished. I already did some work on it because I needed to push the car around, and that wasn't that easy. And I already fitted the back wheels, so let's take a look. First I needed to move the car forward, so I have some place in the back to put my jack stands and my jack under it. And then I can lay on the ground so we can have a look and get the wheels off. Like you guys can see, I just jacked up the car. My jack is still under it just to keep it safe because the jack stands are pretty high. Now it's time to take off the wheels, especially this one, and then we can get to the spring itself and the whole strut assembly. I know that this is not the way to do it, but yeah, it's the only way I have at the moment, so it's that or nothing. So this is my strut assembly. It's a Eibach lowering spring with a Bilstein Sportline damper or shock absorber. And the problem I had in December while I was driving was that this plate which holds the spring did go down, and on the axle, like right here. So it's held up by a circlip like this. So it's this circlip hold it up, and that one gave up, or it was placed wrong, so it also got down and the spring collapsed as well, so it got down and all the weight was on the shock absorber. So I got it fixed by getting the damper out or the shock out and then doing this all over again. But now I've seen that the shock absorber on the other side, there is this flange, it's upside down, so I don't know what I'm going to do about this, or if I'm going to turn this one around or the other one. So maybe I will do the other one, turn that one around, but that's what we need to figure out today. So quick update. Here I got the two shocks out, just because yeah, why not? So we can compare them. Don't know if you can see this. Like here there are two grooves, the bottom groove and then the one where the circlips is. And on this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the fifth groove the circlips is in. So for this one as well, the The plate for the shock is upside down, like you can see, and I think that's not the way it should go. I think it should go like this. Like you can see, this spring is nice on the plate, and on this one it's not. It's too compressed. So I think I will turn this one over and put them both on like the 5th or the 4th groove, so they come a bit higher. The reason for that is that if I got a lot of stuff in the bag, like if you go for a weekend, then the gulp is so heavy that the backside is almost on the ground, and that's not how I like to drive, and especially not with the wider wheels, because then the arches are constantly touching the wheels or the tire, and that's not what I want. So I'm gonna throw these around and then we can go back. So the struts are reassembled. So let's have a look how much difference we've got. I put it on the 4th groove, so from the 4th one until the 2nd one where it was first should be around a centimeter of difference, and now it's on both sides, so I think the car will be quite a bit higher, but that's no problem, maybe nicer. So let's install them and have a look. So let's install them and see what we got. How much did the car raise? So boys and girls, she is finished. I think she's quite a bit higher as last time, like we wanted to be. Now I have plenty of room for the wheel to maneuver. How did I install these here at the here We got a nut that's a 16. It's only one nut. You can loosen that one up. I tightened them as the last nuts because if you put the car on the ground you can almost spin them by hand. And then at the underside, you may have seen it, there is only one bolt. We should torque these ones at 60 Newton meters with a torque wrench. So that was it for today. I will push her outside so we can have a look. But this job is done. Another thing that we can delete from our list. Now we have a good wheel gap. It will fail the shoe test, I think, but that's not for now. That's not the priority. Soon there will be some other work to do on this Golf. This dampers will not stay. It's just for technical inspection and because I have no other springs and dampers at the moment. But in May I will purchase a set of coilovers together with some mates. But if you want to know which ones, I suggest you subscribe, and then we see each other in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Goodbye.